Good morning, myself Dinesh. Today I am going to discuss on a topic create how to create a student database by using Python. Let us move on to the introduction. Introduction to student database. A student database is essential for managing student information efficiently. This presentation will guide you through the steps of creating a simple student database by using Python. We will cover data storage, relevant and basic operation for database management. You can see clearly on the right side it has mentioned the student database. So how it is how it is mentioned. Like for example, let us take about the student details like name and his address, age, CGP. Let us move on to the next topic. Setting up your environment. Ensure you have a Python installed on your computer to be to being the setup. It is recommended to use an integrated development environment like IDE, like PyCram or VS Code. Additionally, consider install SQLite for lightweight database management. So in right side, you can see the install Python 64-bit. Let us move on to the next topic, choosing a database system. SQLite is a great choice for small to medium-sized application due to its simplicity. Alternatively, you can use more robust system like MySQL or PostgreSQL for large applications. Each database system has its own advantages, so choose one of its your needs. Design the database scheme. The database schema defines the structure of your database, including table and relationship. For a student database, key tables might include students, course, and enrollments. Each table should have primary keys and appropriate data type for each field. So you can see that the order is mentioned like ID, user ID, status created, as well as product. You can see that in products you can see that ID, merchant IDs, name, price, status created. So let us move on to the next topic. Write Python code for database operation. Use the SQLite 3 module in the Python to connect to and manage your SQL database. Implement functions to perform CRUD. It means create, read, update, delete operations on student records. Error handling should be interrupted to manage execution, expansion and ensure data integrity. Sample code implementation you can see below is an example function to add a new student to the database. Let us check. We have created a Python def add slash student name or age. So execute. So we should insert into the student name, age, and value. This function demonstrate how to use parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection. On the right side, you can see that the code is already done for a code is already taken for the student list. So let us move on to testing and validation. Once the database and code are set up, testing is essential to ensure everything works. Create test case to validate the data it's entered, the data is entered, evaluated and updated correctly. Regular testing will help catch bugs clearly in the development process. So you can see the validation first step is white box testing, and the second one is functional testing, unit testing, and the third one is integrational testing, IT. Fourth one is system testing, and the last one it is user acceptance testing, UAT. So here comes the conclusion and future step. In conclusion, creating a student database in Python is a manageable task with the right tools. Future enhancements could include a user interface or integrating with web frameworks. Continuous learning with improvements will enhance your database management skills. Here is the reference. Thank you.